Hey everyone, Rich with Rich Rebuilds here with part 5 of my Tesla Model X rebuild. If this is your first time here, check out the Tesla Model X playlist so you can get yourself up to speed. But as a recap, episodes 1 to 4 consisted of me tearing the car down, and today I'm going to keep that momentum going. I plan on removing the old flooded headlights that were underwater, install the rear seats, and then I'm going to power the car up to see what happens after I clean the wet circuit boards from the last video. We're also going to see another appearance from my apprentices George and Joe, but before we start today's work, I have a few updates for you guys. The Tesla-powered Porsche 911 is running and driving and will be unveiled to the world soon. Remember a while back when I was whining about my Tesla Model X? Then I interviewed my friend Guz, who talked about not getting the title for his Model X after buying it from Tesla. He waited 3 months to get the title for his car, and in the meantime he couldn't drive it, leaving him with a very expensive paperweight. That video was posted at 1 p.m. and at 5 p.m. my friend Guz got a phone call from Tesla apologizing profusely and offering him a loaner car, and they promised they would get him the title soon. Well, they came through because 1 week after that video came out, he had the title for his Model X. +1 for the little guys. The third update is Salvage soda. In the last video I showed a huge pallet full of soda cans and containers that were dinged and scratched and couldn't be sold to the general public, which I called Salvage soda. Well, if you want a pallet worth of soda for some reason, you can get in touch with Argo Cycles, and their link is in the description below. Number 4, we've broken ground on the Electrified garage. The temps have been very cold and wet up here in the Northeast, so construction was delayed a few times, but we finally had a nice day and they were able to start the process. The roof trusses are coming in about 2.5 weeks, and the foundation will be starting next week. Last but not least, I wanted to announce your boy Uncle Rich's feature in this month's Wired magazine, which I thought was pretty cool. Alright, let's get to work. Hold on, I'm getting a phone call. Hello? Hello?
Come work for me, Richard.
Who's this? Elon?
Work for me, Richard.
No!
Your YouTube channel sucks.
How'd you get this number?
Work for me.
Who is this?
It's not Elon.
Then who is it?
It's Mark.
Mark who?
Mark Zuckerberg.
This is not Mark Zuckerberg.
You'll never get a roadster.
Are you high? Are you with Joe Rogan again?
Yes.
I knew it was you! Hello? Well, that was weird. Okay, back to work.
You can only go one way.
No, the clip is in there.
Let me see the clips. Clips that way, see?
Oh, yeah. So this is the clip, right?
Yeah.
And
Push that red. There's a red thing on this side. That's the lock.
the slides in here.
Yep, there we go, perfect. Awesome.
And there's a torque wrench back.
Cool.
Do you have a cup or something to throw nuts and bolts in?
I don't. I don't at the moment. Yeah, so I'm still getting similar messages to the one from last time. However, not all hope is lost. Those codes may not be related to the BCM, but are likely stored hard codes that may require a firmware reflash. We're going to discuss that in a later video. But those red marks on the screen aren't normal. I'm going to have to remove this MCU and inspect the inside of it.
You take it out with the MCU.
Right here. Let's work this edge. Where's that orange tool?
Hey, but don't scratch this part.
Don't scratch that part.
No.
Which part should you scratch? I'm just kidding.
Right.
Want the whole one to see where the pin is?
Owen George?
I don't know. Those things just pop.
Try up in here.
They pop when they're
Put a
ready.
little I know.
I don't know where.
Never mind that they're on.
Yep. So I said, hey, look. Now look at the old one. I feel where the clips are. You can come right out of this.
Oh man.
Woo! Oh boy!
Oh, I found where the clip is, George. The clip is right here.
Uh-oh. This is another one. It's really not that big of a deal. I have like 17 of these at the house. However, none in wood. So
Ah. None of them wood?
none of them are that faux wood. Or just glue it. Whatever. No one will know.
What is going on? Just go away with it. Guy buys me lunch and then I break his dashboard.
There you go.
Hey, thanks
Jesus
By the way,
Christ.
thanks for the
Let
calzone.
me see the back behind of it.
It's just the two
What
clips.
the hell? That was it?
I don't know what my struggle was. I get those clips again.
Yay.
I can't see.
The light?
I got this.
Oh, there you go. That's a nice light.
This thing's cool, ain't it?
Yeah.
Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight? How much is
And
that?
it adjusts.
$24.
And the light comes out the end.
Oh, wow.
It's rechargeable.
I hope so. That'd be funny if it was like a one-time use. So,
Yeah,
well,
it's a throwaway.
yeah. There you go.
There you go.
Maybe I could push and you guys pull out or something.
That's what she said.
Purple plug.
Oh, yeah.
You know, put it back in. I got a better idea.
One second. Let me see. So.
Would it be cool? Well, you can't really cut the car down and make this nice.
Chop it. Make like a
Yeah.
mini Cooper out of it. Something small. Just a two-seater. The problem is the battery.
I would not want to align these doors. I don't know how they do it.
Well, they must have put thought into it. They must have some great
Oh, yeah, but
adjustments in here.
the one that is screwed up and adjusted, I can't imagine.
Around.
That's all. Let's see what electronics do we have back here. This one, do they have a horn? There's the dinky horn, a valve block. You can barely see it. I think it's see it. Gee, it looks like a war zone in there. But I think it's still pretty well waterproofed. At least I hope it is. Rich. Oh, there's another one. Damn it.
Right here, 10.
Like never stops this car. Like 427 tens you gotta take out first. Don't drop. Gotcha. Okay. Oh, you hold up, pull it. There you go.
Just grab it with your teeth.
What's this? Who makes this? Thiam? Whatever. There you go. Want to be our horn tester?
I'll change them anyway.
There we go.
Yeah.
Blow into it. Yeah, this is a nicer light. The you know, it's more. It's not as
I like the natural light.
It's not as harsh.
Oh, it's not plugged in.
You gotta turn it on.
One on each?
Yeah.
One on your nipple.
Well, boys and girls, that's enough horn honking. You know what they sound like already. In the next episode, we're going to be taking a look at what's inside the MCU, and not just any MCU, but one that was on and functioning while the car was underwater. Now, if you don't know what MCU is, it's the main touchscreen that controls all the media functions in the vehicle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys, and I will see you all soon.